Hi, friends. I hope you have your language paper out. Sorry, your phonics paper. I don't know why I said language. Phonics and language, I guess. Page 267 with a pencil and eraser. We're talking about common nouns and proper nouns. Remember when we wear our hat, our proper noun hat? A common noun names a person, place, or a thing, just any person, place, or thing. And remember, a proper noun is going to name a very specific person, place, or thing. So let me give you an example. A common noun is going to be like dog, right? And then a proper noun is going to be like, if I'm talking about my dog, Fudge, right? I would capitalize her name because she's not just any dog, but she's my dog. Okay. Another example, teacher. Okay. Me, for example, a teacher. If we use the word teacher in a sentence, you don't have to capitalize it. But if you're talking about Miss Warner, then that's a specific teacher. So you have to capitalize my name because it's a proper noun. Proper nouns, the clue to find out what a proper noun is, it's a noun, but it's a specific kind of noun. So not just any, but it's got like an actual name and it's capitalized. Okay, so those are two clues to be able to find the proper nouns in a sentence. Okay, so today we're going to get to write our own proper nouns. So I'm going to share our screen here so we can jump right into our paper. We'll pop right up right now. There we go. All right. So a particular person, place, or thing, that's what we're talking about. So we're going to get to write two proper nouns for each group here. There's 4 groups. So cities, let's think of a city. What's a city that you think of? Well, let's start with the city that we live in, okay? So we'll say San Diego. San Diego would be capitalized because it's a specific or a particular place. So it's a capital S and a capital D, San Diego. And let's think about where our school is. Our school is in Chula Vista, capital C and a capital V there. Nice. All right, make sure you're with me and you're sticking with me to write this down, okay? Your paper should look just like mine. All right, let's move on over to people. Let's think of a specific name of a person. Well, what's a person? Let's see. Well, I was gonna say Pikachu because I know you guys are obsessed with Pokemon right now, but that's not really a person, so I guess I can't say that. How about Miss Deanna? What about Miss Deanna? She's a person, right? She's our PE teacher. So would write D and make sure it's capitalized. Miss Deanna, and let's think of who else? What about Miss Bartolome? She was your teacher last year, right? Capital M, R, S, period. Don't forget the period and the abbreviation Miss, and then capital B. There you go, Miss Bartolome. All right, and months. Months of the year. What's a month? Let's see. Well, how about the month that we're in right now? It just changed. Today is the 1st. Oh, actually, today is the 2nd. April 2nd. So we'll talk about April. We'll write down April. Capital A. There we go. And let's say June, because June would be the beginning of summer. So capital J, U-N-E. Very good. All right. What about days of the week? We've practiced these quite a bit. Give me a day of the week. Friday, because that's always our favorite day of the week. Capital F. Nice. Are you writing these down with me? Good job. All right. And let's think. What about Saturday? Because we don't have to wake up and go to school on Saturday. We get to sleep in, right? Saturday. Very good. All right. I'm going to scroll down. Okay. Oh, do you guys remember that when we have a plural, the plural form of any word that ends in a consonant and a Y, you change, how does that song go again? Change the Y to an I before you add ES. Do you guys remember that? Okay, let's say it again. This time you say it with me. Ready? Change the Y to an I before you add ES. Good job, friends. Okay, but remember, the way to determine when you're supposed to change the Y to an I before adding ES is if it ends in a consonant and then a Y. If it's a vowel and then the letter Y, you don't change it. You just add the letter S to it to make it plural. What does plural mean again? Does that mean only one? Or does plural mean more than one? Yes, singular means only one and plural means more than one. So we're going to make all of these words say more than one or mean more than one, okay? All right. So where it says country, how would I say make country? If we're talking about more than one, it's countries. Well, let's see. Is that ending in a consonant and then the letter Y or a vowel? Well, R is a consonant, so we're going to change the Y to an I before you add ES. So countries, I and then ES. Good job. What about family? Well, what's the letter right before the Y? Is it a vowel or a consonant? It's a consonant, so we're going to change the Y to an I before adding ES. Families. Very good. And what about the word key? If I'm talking about more than one key, I'm talking about keys. Now, would I just add the letter S or would I change the Y to an I before adding ES? I'm just going to add the letter S. Good job. Because the letter right before the Y is a vowel. It's not a consonant. All right, what about foot? Would I say foots? Wash your foots? Not really, right? Stinky foots? It's actually, if I have one foot, and then if I have two, it's feet. Good job. And we don't have to change anything on that except for the O's become E's. All right, friends. Mouse. Ooh, this was a tricky one for a lot of you. Mouse. If I have one, it's a mouse. If I have more than one, it's mice. Very nice. Hey, that rhymes. Mice. Good job. All right, tray. If I have one, it's called a tray. If I have more than one, they're called trays. But now let me think. Do I have to change the Y to an I before adding ES? No, I don't, because it's the letter Y is with a vowel. It's not with a consonant. You only do that when the Y comes after a consonant. So you'd write it all the same and then add an S. You're amazing, guys. All right, what about blueberry? Blueberry. Let's see. There's an R before the Y, so I'm going to change the Y to an I before adding ES. Everything else stays the same in the word. It's just that last part. Blueberries. Nice. What about boy? If there's only one, it's just a boy. But if there's more than one, it's boys. Nice. You don't have to change it. There you go. All right, write an imperative sentence. Remember, an imperative sentence makes a command. It's commanding someone to do something. Write an imperative sentence that uses a proper noun or a plural noun. Well, a proper noun would mean someone specific or a specific place that would need to be capitalized, or we could just write about more than one. Let's think. We have so many plural nouns right in front of us, and we have some proper nouns that we wrote also. So let's think. Let's talk about, well, it's got to be imperative, so it's making a command. Oh, I know. I'm going to talk about the keys. Put the keys where they belong. Imperative is making, it's commanding someone to do something, right? Put the keys where they belong. That's telling someone to do something. And it ends in a period. All right, friends, let's move on over to the back page. Go ahead and flip your page over. Oh, come on. So easy. I'll do a couple of these for you, and then you're going to be able to do these all by yourself. You're looking at the vowel sounds. So you need a green, and a blue and a yellow crayon, color pencil, even a marker if you'd like. All right. So all the words that have an ah sound, ah, like an ostrich, are going to be green. Any word that has an ah sound, like an apple, is going to be blue. And any words that have a, is that long or short? It's I. It sounds like I. It doesn't mean it's going to have a long I in it. It could be a Y that sounds like an I, right? Like I and fly, Y, that special sound. It sounds like I, okay? If it sounds like a long I, you're going to color it yellow. So remember, it's not necessarily just that sound. It's not going to look just like a short O or an A. It's going to have, maybe it's a special sound. So they will try to trick you. I'm going to warn you right now. I'm already seeing one. Look at the moon. What does that word say? Sound it out. Sly, right? It doesn't have an I in it, but it sounds like I. Sly. That's I and fly, Y. So if we were circling special sounds, we would circle SL for sl and sleep, and then we would circle I and fly, Y. But we don't have to circle the special sounds, right? So you're just listening for what it sounds like. And it sounds like a long I sound, okay? So you're gonna color that yellow. Let me switch my color here. I can, and remember, yours is going to be much nicer than mine. I know you're going to take your time and do it nice. Okay. And let me see. Calf. Calf. Does that sound like an ah, or I? Ah, very good. So I'm going to change my color to blue. Wait, is that a blue or a brown? Oh, it's black. Oh, it's black. Sorry, I told you to get a brown. I meant black. Whoops. All right. So I'm going to try my best to color it nicely. And I'm doing this a little bit fast just for the sake of time. So I know yours is going to be much nicer than mine because you're going to take your time and do it nice. Okay. There we go. What about after? Ah. Does that sound like ostrich or apple or I, long I like an ice cream? Ah. Yes, it would be black again. Okay, nice. All right, what about laugh? Laugh, long A sound. And that's almost the whole, don't color the trees, but I'm coloring right in between the trees. You see how that's part of the mountain? And I'm trying not to color, you can color over the word, that's okay on your paper, but I want you to be able to see the word. All right. What about saw? Aw. Sounds like awe and ostrich to me. I'm going to change it to green. Saw. Sounds like awe. All right. Want. Awe. Another one. Nice. Taught. Well, the special sound there is awe and faucet, A-U, but it sounds like ah in ostrich, like an O, short O sound. Let's color it green. Bought. Ought in thought, O-U-G-H-T. Excuse me. That sounds like ah, right? Ah, in ostrich. Okay, let's see. There's a couple more. I'm only going to do a couple more with you, and then I'm going to let you guys finish this up on your own, okay? I know you can handle it. Antlers. Ah, antlers. Is that a long I sound? No. Doesn't sound like I in ice cream. Does it sound like ah in ostrich? No. Antlers. Sounds like ah in apple. So we need to color it black. Get your black. All right. And then sigh. Sigh. Do you guys know what sigh means? To sigh. That's a sigh. I'm sure you've heard that before. A sigh is a long I sound. I hope I didn't give it away when you saw what color I switched my pen to. I think I might have done that. Whoops. Sigh is a long I sound. All right, what about bite? Also long I sound. Good job. All right, friends. And I'm going to do one more. Tie. Tie. Do you see right on the chair the word tie? Tie has a long I sound, so that would be yellow. Okay. And if you look right there at that one, I'm glad I did that one so you could see. It has one section that has the only the word, but I want you to color the whole chair, not just that section where the word is, okay? It makes sense to color the whole chair, the arm part, and then the part you sit on, all of that part, okay? All right, friends, go ahead and do the rest of those. There's probably like 8 more words. I know you can handle them because you're amazing first graders who are so, so intelligent. Put those brains to work, friends. Okay, I love you and we'll talk soon. Bye. Oh, I did it again. I mean, bye.